Okay, we are doing the ellipse. Let us continue with the ellipse powers. Find the equation of the ellipse. In standard form. In the standard form such that such that distance between foci is 8 and distance between directrix is 32. Right? Now, in the previous problem we have seen length of the lateral rectum, distance between foci. Now today, distance between foci and distance between lateral rectum. Now let x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Distance between foci, that is AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0 is equal to 2AE is equal to 8, AE is equal to 4. Right? Next step. Distance between directrix. Okay, look at here. Which will give you x is equal to minus a by e, x is equal to a by e. What I mean by this, we know directrix equation x is plus or minus a by e. So x is equal to a by e is equal to 0, x is equal to minus a by e, here plus a by e. And what I mean by this, a by e comma 0 minus a by e comma 0. So you got two directrix. So points are what, a by e and minus a by e. Again distance will become what? Is 2a by e is equal to 32. So a by e is equal to 16. Second equation, first equation. Therefore, AE into a by e. What is a? AE is what, sir? 4. A by e, how much we got? 16. E will get cancelled. A square is equal to 64. A is equal to 8. Therefore, AE is equal to how much? 4. Already we got A value. 80 is equal to 4. E is equal to 4 by 8, 1 by 2. A is equal to what? 1 by 2. Now, I am applying E formula. What is the formula? A square minus B square by A square. What is E value? 1 by 2. A square means what is A value? 84. So minus B square by 64. Square both the sides. 1 by 4 is equal to 64 minus B square by 64. This will go 16 times. So 16 is equal to 64 minus B square. B square is equal to 64 minus 16, 48. What is the B square value? 48. Therefore, x square by A square plus A square means A value 8. So 64. B square directly we got 48. So based on the condition, here distance between foci is given, distance between directrix. So apply the method. Okay, please note on this. Next. Find the equation of ellipse in standard form. Okay, standard form. If it passes from minus 2 comma 2, 3 comma minus 1. Now what is the question? He says find the equation of ellipse in standard form which passes from. Solution is equal to 1. Okay, what is the point A is given? 2 comma 2. So 4 by A square plus 4 by B square is equal to 1. First equation. Again which point? 3 comma minus 1. 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. Second equation. So multiply first equation by 9, second equation by 4. So what will happen? 36 by a square plus 16 by 36 by b square is equal to 9. Then here 36 by a square plus 4 by b square is equal to 4. Subtract. This will get cancelled. 32 by b square is equal to 5. Therefore, b square is equal to 32 by 5. Right? We got b square. Just cross multiply. B square will come here, 5 will come. Now put in first equation. What is the first equation? 4 by a square plus 4 by b square means 32 by 5 is equal to 1. So 4 by a square plus 22 by 30. 20 by 30. Bring 32 here. So 4 by a square is equal to 1 minus 20 by 32. 32 minus 20 by 32 is equal to 12 by 32. 4 will get cancelled one time. So 1 by a square is equal to 3 by 32. Therefore, a square is equal to 32 by 3. Reverse this. Therefore, ellipse equation. X square by a square 32 by 3. Y square by b square. B square is what? 32 by 5 is equal to 1. Right? So what we have done? We have given 2 points, solve the equations and get the a square and b square. Every time we are getting a square, b square. Okay, let us see next problem. Next. Find the equation of the ellipse in standard form. If ends of major axis is 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0 and foci lies on (3x minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0). Solution. Okay, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is the ellipse equation. Okay, ends of major axis. Okay, a comma 0 minus a comma 0. Why? What is the length of major axis? 2a. So it becomes a comma 0 minus a comma 0. Given 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0 is the ends. Therefore, a is equal to 5. Right? Condition. Apply the condition. Next, foci a comma 0 on the line 3x minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. So 3 into AE minus 5 into 0 minus 9 is equal to 0. 3AE is equal to 9 because this is 0. Okay. Already we got A value. A value is how much, sir? 5. So 15E is equal to 9. E is equal to 9 by 15, 3 by 5. E value how much, sir? 3 by 5. Again apply the formula. Root of a square minus b square by a square. E value we got 3 by 5. A value how much we got, sir? 5. So 25 minus b square by 25. Square both the sides. 9 by 25 is equal to 29 by 25. 25 will get cancelled. 9 is equal to 25 minus b square. B square is equal to 16. B is equal to 4. Therefore, ellipse equation. X square by a square. A square means a value 5. So 25. Y square by b square minus 16. So applying the conditions. Okay. Here ends of major axis given. Foci is on the line. So there are 3-4 conditions, 4-5 problems we have done based on this type of conditions. Okay, please note on this. Right. Next. Find the equation of ellipse with the focus at 1 comma minus 1, A is equal to 2 by 3, and directrix x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so he has given this. What is the solution? SP by PM is equal to E. This formula we have to apply. So SP by PM, E is equal to 2 by 3, 3SP is equal to 2 PM, square both the sides, 4 PM square. First equation. Okay, now what is the point is what, sir? X comma y. What is the S value? 1 comma minus 1. What is the SP? Distance formula. X minus 1 whole square, y plus 1 whole square. Right? You got SP, sir. Now PM is a perpendicular distance from P x comma y to directrix x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So PM is equal to x plus y plus 2 modulus by root of 1 plus 1 modulus by root 2. So we got PM value, we got SP value. So call it as put in 1. Put in 1. So 9 into SP square means what, sir? Whole square is equal to 4 into x plus y plus root 2 whole square. So I am putting arrow here. 9 into x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 2y plus 1. Here 4 into x square plus y square plus 4 plus 2xy plus 4x plus 4y by 2. Open the bracket. 9x square minus 18x plus 9 plus 9y square plus 18y plus 9. Okay, open in the bracket. 2 will get cancelled 2 times. Open the bracket. 2x square plus 2y square plus 8 plus 4xy plus 8x plus 8y. Bring the term this side. 9x square minus 2x square, 7x square plus 7y square, minus 18x here, minus 8x. If you bring it becomes minus, so minus 26x. Next 8y if you bring here, it becomes minus plus 10y. Right? Next 4xy will become minus 4xy. Right? Now left over is numbers. 9 plus 9, 18. Here 8 is there. If you bring it becomes plus 10. Is equal to 0. Ellipse equation. Right? This is an ellipse equation. So what is that we have done? We have applied SP by PM concept. Okay. No doubt. Next we will be doing this model. Find the center. Find the center. Length of major minor axis, length of lateral rectum, and eccentricity, and equation of directrix. What is the question is asking? Find the center, major axis, minor axis, length of lateral rectum, then eccentricity, foci, and directrix. So we have to find all of them. Okay. So first one is what, sir? 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. Divide by 144 is equal to 1. So x square by 16, y square by 9 is equal to 1. Here a square is equal to 16, b square is equal to 1. A is equal to 4, B is equal to, 9, 3. So what is the condition? A is greater than B. First we have to get A, which condition will come. First we have to find E formula, sir. Already is giving like this, we have to first find E value. A square minus B square by A square. So E is equal to, A square means what, sir? 16 minus 9 by 16. E is equal to 7 by 6. E is equal to root 7 by 4. Right, we got E value. Now, first is center. Center is 0, 0 because it is x square by A square formula. Okay, x square by A square plus y square. Center is 0, 0. Next, length of major is 2a. 2a means 2 into a, 4, 8. Length of minor 2b is equal to 6. Okay, measure is length of class rectum 2b square by a. 2 into b square is 9. A value 4. 9 by 2. Next, E over directrix we have to find out. What is the directrix? X plus r minus a by e is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus r minus a value is what, sir? 4. By e value how much, sir? Root 7 by 4 is equal to 0. 0. Right? Next, 4c. A comma 0 minus a comma 0. A value is 4, root 7 by 4 comma 0 minus 4 into 0. So this becomes root 7 comma 0 minus root comma 7 0. Okay, so we got formula application. Please note on this. Next. Nine x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. Look at this problem. This is very, very important. Second one, sir. So I am grouping x square and x term. Is equal to 92. Take 9 common. X square minus 4x, 16 common, is equal to 92. Right? Now observe here. We have done in integration. Minus 2b is equal to. Okay, so capital B you write, b is equal to 2. Okay, just make it, to make the things easier, half of this make it, sir. So what will happen? X square minus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 16 into y square plus 2y plus 1 square minus 1 square is equal to 92. So 9 into x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square minus 1 is equal to 92. So open the bracket plus 92. Okay. Next. Nine into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to 92 plus 36 plus 16. I am bringing the term this side now. Is equal to 144. Right? Divide by whole square by 144 plus by 144 is equal to 1. So this becomes x minus 2 whole square by 60 plus y plus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. So here I am writing here, observe here, compare with x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. I am again explaining here. What is important? First x square, 36x common and one group, y square and y one group, bring the number this side. So take 9 common, we get x square minus 4x here. Here add half of this x coefficients are. What is the half of 4? 2. 2 square add, subtract. What is the half of 2? 1. So 1 square add and subtract. Then this becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 9 into x minus 2 whole square minus 4. 6 into y plus 1 whole square minus 1. Open the bracket, then you get 36 and 16. Bring that side, becomes 144, divide. Now we got this way. So what is the h value? 2. What is the h value? 2. K value minus 1. Because here x minus 2 is there, here x minus h is there. So h will be 2. Here but y plus 1 is there, y minus k is there, sir. So this becomes minus 1. And what is the a square value? 16. B square value 9. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. So A is greater than B. First we have to find E formula. First every time we have to find E formula. So E is equal to A square means what, sir? 16 minus 9 by 16, which is root 7 by 4. So we got E value. Next, center h comma k. What is h value? 2 comma minus 1. Observe here. Now center will come. Next, length of major is 2a 8. Length of minor is 2b is equal to 6. Okay. Next, length of large rectum 2b square by a. 2 into b square is what, sir? B square is 9 by a value 4, which is 9 by 2. So we have finished. Now E is also we have found directrix. Now look at here. Directrix. X plus or minus a by e is equal to h. X plus or minus a value 4 by. What is the h value? H value is 2. So x plus or minus 16 by root 7 is equal to 2. Next, 4c. AE plus h comma k minus AE plus h comma k. Okay, here extra values are coming. H value. So A value is how much, sir? 4 into E value root 7 by 4. So directly I am writing root 7 plus h value is 2 comma k value minus 1. Then here minus root 7 plus 2 comma minus 1. So here adding and subtracting. Please note this. Next. X square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 is equal to 7. Observe here. Again, bracket plus 2y square plus 12y bracket is equal to minus 14. Okay. X square minus 4x, 2 common, is equal to minus 14. So here half of 4 is 2, half of 6 is 3. So directly I am writing here plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 2 into y square plus 6y plus 3 square minus 3 square is equal to minus 14. So this becomes x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square minus 9 is equal to minus 14. So simply x minus 2 whole square minus 4, 2 into y plus 3 whole square minus 18 is equal to minus 14. Bring the term this side. So what will happen? X minus 2 whole square plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square is equal to minus 14 plus 4 plus 18. So x minus 2 whole square plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square, this is minus 14 minus 10 plus 18, so 8. So x minus 2 whole square by 8 plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square by 8 is equal to 1. X minus 2 whole square by 8 plus y plus 3 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. Observe here, a square is equal to 8, b square is equal to 4. A is equal to root 8, b is equal to 2. Here a square is 8, b square is 4. So obviously a is greater than b. Immediately first what you have to find out? E value. Root of a square minus b square by a square. A square is what, sir? 8. 8 minus 4 by 8. So 4 by 8 on the root. So E is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. E value we got. Next, first you have to find length of major. 2a. 2a means a value how much, sir? Root 8. So 2 root 8. Length of minor. 2b. 2b means 4. Next, the length of major minor is our length of large rectum. 2b square by a. So 2b square. B square is what, sir? 4 by root 8. Root 8. Okay. Then E is our directrix. What is directrix? Is x plus or minus a by e is equal to h. X plus or minus a value is root 8 by e value is what, sir? 1 by root 2 is equal to h. H value is how much, sir? We did not wrote h and k, sir. Okay, compare with h minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. So what is the h value? 2 and k value minus 3. This is very, very important. Okay, so h is how much, sir? 2. So root 2 will multiply with root 8, sir. X plus or minus root 16 by 2. Okay, if you want to simplify this, you write plus 4, otherwise leave the answer. Next, 4c is ae plus h comma k minus ae plus h comma k. What is the a value? Root 8 and e value 1 by root 2 plus h value is what, sir? 2 comma minus 3. So root 8 and root 2 will get cancelled. Root 4 times root 4 means 2. 2 plus 2 4 minus 3. Again I am explaining. Root 2 and root 8 will get cancelled. Root 4 value 2. 2 plus 2 4. Similarly minus root 8 into 1 by root 2 plus 2 comma minus 3. Again root 4 and root 2 will get cancelled. Root 4 is 2 minus 2 plus 2 0 comma minus 3. Don't write minus 4 minus 3, sir, because it will change. Okay, so these are the problems. Okay, remember here we have to convert into standard then compare. Okay, we will continue with this model. There are 3 more problems are there. We will discuss that also.